Welcome to our YouTube Whiteboard explainer on ISO 27001-2022, the international standard for information security management systems. In the next few minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know about ISO 27001, from its definition to its benefits. So, let's dive right in. ISO 27001-2022 is all about securing your information. It's a set of guidelines that help organizations like yours keep data safe and secure. Think of it as the lock and key for your digital information, ensuring everything stays protected. One key concept is the process approach. Instead of just focusing on isolated tasks, ISO 27001 encourages organizations to see their operations as interconnected processes. Think of it like gears in a machine, working together smoothly to achieve a common goal: protecting your digital assets. ISO 27001 is built on three fundamental information security principles. Let's quickly go through each one. Confidentiality. It safeguards information via encryption, access controls, and agreements, preventing unauthorized access. Integrity. It guarantees information accuracy through techniques like checksums, data validation, and access controls, preventing unauthorized alterations. Availability. It ensures continuous access to information for authorized users. Strategies like redundancy, disaster recovery, and routine maintenance minimize downtime. Now, let's take a closer look at the sections included in the ISO 27001 framework, beginning with the open sections. Introduction. An overview of the standard's purpose and intent. Scope. Defines which parts of your organization are covered by ISO 27001. Normative references. Lists any external documents that should be considered alongside ISO 27001. Terms and definitions. A glossary to ensure everyone is speaking the same information security language. Now, let's dive into the main sections. Context of the organization. It's like setting the stage, understanding your business, your industry, and the specific aspects of information security. Leadership. The big bosses set the vision and direction for a secure digital environment. Planning. This is where you create a roadmap to achieve your information security goals. Support. Resources and support systems are like the pillars holding up your information security structure. Moving on, the subsequent main sections are operation. This is where information security practices are put into action. Your team works in a secure digital environment. Performance evaluation. Regular checkups to see how you're doing and if there's room for improvement in information security. Improvement. The icing on the cake. Taking what you've learned and making your digital space more secure. Imagine a company implementing ISO 27001. They'd focus on strong leadership commitment, involving workers in information security decisions, and regularly assessing digital risks. By planning for digital emergencies and investigating incidents promptly, they're practicing a proactive and responsive approach to information security. And by continually improving, they create a digital environment that prioritizes the safety of digital assets. So, why is ISO 27001 valuable? Here are some benefits. Enhanced information security. Secure your digital information space. Worker involvement. Involve employees for proactive security decisions. Reduced incidents. Address digital risks to prevent breaches. Legal compliance. Ensure digital security compliance. Competitive advantage. Leverage your cybersecurity for a competitive edge. Continuous improvement. Promote continuous improvement in information security. ISO 27001-2022 may sound complex, but it's all about securing your information, maintaining high standards, and making your digital space better. It's a roadmap to a safer digital future that anyone can follow. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and remember, information security matters.